Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Today's project, a busted knife. Goes something like this. Maybe. There we go. This is a Machete, the workhorse of this area. They use these knives for everything. I use mine almost every day, but for the average Thai person in this area, this is their everyday tool. They broke this one cutting a tree, but you know, they use this for everything from cutting up their dinner to getting firewood. It's strange that something would break like this. You can almost see the grain structure. Huh? Must be very brittle, I don't know. This knife is very, very old. Somewhere between 20 and 30 years old. I like how they make these handles. Look at that, huh? Many years ago, it's just folded over and just beat together, you know, it's not welded or anything. And then the handle was welded to the blade somewhere right around here. But this is very old. It was owned by the wife's father. He's been dead for over 10 years. So this knife, at least 20 years old, maybe closer to 30. It's very, very old. But look at that, huh? It's very brittle steel. I asked them if they were chopping rocks, and they said no, just pieces keep falling out. If this wasn't, if this didn't have history, I wouldn't even try and fix it. I'd just go buy a new one, but they're not expensive. But we'll see what we can do. Revive Grandpa's knife. I'll open this up, bevel it back on both sides, weld it outside, or probably just tack it outside and then try and weld it in, try and weld it down in that hole. Let's see what we got. If that works, then I'll try and sharpen it. Try is the thing. Could be interesting. Okay, there it goes. The magnet's not going to work. I think I just have to hold it like that. Hope for the best. Okay, wish me luck. It went together pretty good, huh? I think. Good enough for me. Ground will help. It's stuck together. It don't look like much though. Oh, that's hot. It's together. It's not pretty. But that edge is not pretty either. Now, I would be very surprised if this didn't break again. Probably right beside the weld. I don't know what kind of steel that is, but it's very brittle, that's for sure. Now, let's see if we can make this look like a knife and not an axle. Sandpaper. Better than it was. It's actually not bad. You know, it's not meant for shaving, it's meant for chopping. Sharper would be better, but I don't have to do it. Yeah, that'll work. Here's my knife. About the same length. Mine is, I don't know, 5 years old, I guess. I really like this heavy head on it. You can cut anything with this. This is better than any axe I've ever had. As you can see, I've been pounding on it from time to time. But it's made the exact same way, even the handle is sealed. The steel's folded over. This one's actually been welded. Few tacks, but made the exact same way. The handle was welded to the knife. Very basic, cheap steel. Better than an axe, and they're not very long either. Works for me. Well, there it is, guys. She ain't pretty, but she's a lot better than when she came here. Okay guys, as always, thanks for watching.